Namaste.
Namaste.
Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn Hindi. It's quiz time. This is the fifth quiz in the quiz series. If you would like to try quiz number 1 through 4, check out the playlist Hindi Quizzes. Now in today's quiz, there are a total of 15 questions. I will show you a sentence in English and then its translation in Hindi. But the Hindi sentence will be missing one word. You will have 3 choices to fill in the blank. Of course, you will get some time to think over your answer, for which there will be a timer at the right top corner of the screen. Once done with the question, I will also tell you the correct English meaning of the remaining 2 words. Now today's quiz is based on a video that I posted earlier. 1000 Hindi words with sentences to get you through a week. Part 1. The link for this video is in the description. Once you are done with the quiz, do let me know in the comment section how many of your answers were correct. Now before we start, please subscribe to my channel, and after this quiz, check out some of my other videos. Also, if you would like to support the channel, you can buy me a coffee. The link is in the description. Let's start.
The first sentence is, the food is good. In Hindi, it is khana, fill in the blank, hai. And the options to fill in the blank are A. Sundar, B. Acha, C. Bura. And your timer starts now. And the correct answer is B. Acha. Khana acha hai. The food is good. The meaning of other words are Sundar is beautiful. Bura is bad.
The second sentence is, what is the question? And in Hindi it is, kya, fill in the blank, hai. The choices are A. Bhasha, B. Kathin, C. Prashna. The correct answer is C. Prashna. Kya prashn hai? What is the question? Bhasha is language and Kathin is difficult.
Next sentence is any news. Koi fill in the blank. A. Samachar, B. Disha, C. Khana. And the correct answer is A. Samachar. Koi samachar, any news. Disha is direction. Khana is food.
Which country are you from? आप किस fill in the blank से हैं? A. घर, B. देश, C. नगर. The correct answer is B. देश. आप किस देश से हैं? Which country are you from? and ghar is home. Nagar is town or city.
This sentence is short. यह fill in the blank छोटा है. A. दिन. B. शब्द. C. वाक्य. The correct answer is C. वाक्य. यह वाक्य छोटा है. This sentence is short. Din is day. Shabd is word.
Do not play with fire. Fill in the blank. Say mat khelo. A. आग. B. पानी. C. चाबी. The correct answer is A. आग. आग से मत खेलो. Do not play with fire. Pani is water and chabi is key.
I don't have money. मेरे पास fill in the blank नहीं हैं. A. परिवार. B. हवा. C. पैसे. And the correct answer is C. पैसे. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं. I don't have money. परिवार family. हवा air.
In autumn, leaves change color. Fill in the blank में पत्ते रंग बदलते हैं. वसंत, पतझड़, ताला. The correct answer is B. पतझड़. पतझड़ में पत्ते रंग बदलते हैं. In autumn, leaves change color. Vasant is spring and Tala is lock.
Is this real gold? क्या यह सोना fill in the blank है? A. आप. B. असली. C. अंडा. And the right answer is B. असली. क्या यह सोना असली है? Is this real gold? आप in English is you in a formal sense. Anda is egg.
Season is changing. Fill in the blank. बदल रहा है. मौसम, सुबह, शाम. The correct answer is A. मौसम. मौसम बदल रहा है. Season is changing. Subah is morning and Sham is evening.
He or she is clever. वह fill in the blank है. A. रात. B. व्यस्त. C. चतुर. And the right answer is C. चतुर. वह चतुर है. He or she is clever. रात is night. व्यस्त is busy.
Always speak truth. Sada, fill in the blank, bolo. Ras, sach, come. The correct answer is B. Sach. Sada sach bolo. Always speak truth. Ras is juice. Come is less.
Is this your house? क्या यह आपका fill in the blank है? A. मकान. B. दुकान. C. रसोई. And the correct answer is A. मकान. क्या यह आपका मकान है? Is this your house? दुकान is shop. रसोई is kitchen.
Do not lie. Fill in the blank, mat bolo. झूठ, झरना, नाक. The correct answer is A. झूठ. झूठ मत बोलो. Do not lie. झरना is waterfall and naak is nose.
He is a citizen of India. वह भारत का fill in the blank है. A. बादल. B. विवाहित. C. नागरिक. And the correct answer is C. नागरिक. वह भारत का नागरिक है. He is a citizen of India. बादल is cloud. विवाहित is married.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.